Yeah, I'm on my PyCharm now. Firstly, let us give a string. I'm taking the string to be str is equals to, I want my user or my client to give his input, so I'm taking the input function and enter the string. If you don't know about the input function, you can check out my video about the input and eval functions, which I'll throw in the description box given below. Okay, now first of all, we have discussed that a palindrome is anything which when reversed have the same original value or original string. Okay, so I'll take reverse of string is equals to, in Python we have a nice method to calculate the reverse of the string, to say the reverse of the string, -1. Okay, and also remember that this statement do not convert the total string, it only copies the reverse of the string and it copies the value to the ref underscore string. Okay, now let us check if reverse of the string is equals to the original string or not. If str is equals to ref underscore string, if str is equals to print I have given a comma at wrong space, str is a palindrome. Else print str is not a palindrome, right? If it is not equals to the reverse of the string, it is not a palindrome, right? It's not a palindrome. Now I'll run my program, run loops, I'll run my palindrome program, enter the string. The Python console is asking for me to enter the string. Firstly I have madam. Madam is a palindrome. Now I want to check if it works for non-palindromes or not. Now I'll give any space, read. Read is not a palindrome. Okay, in this way I can write program to check if a string is palindrome or not. If you are a Python beginner, this is a wonderful program to start with the if conditions and decision making statements, and you can also have strings and the conversion and slicing of strings here. Okay, that's all for today. Bye.